Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn CSE with RD ma'am. In this video, we're going to see the dictionary methods. Okay, so the methods that are available in this for the dictionary are tabulated below. Okay, I've given various methods that are available for the dictionary. The following table gives the result of every method for considered dictionary. Okay, in general, the methods are accessed as dictionary variable accessed using dictionary variable. Okay, as you know, method is always accessed using a object, which is nothing but the dictionary dictionary variable which holds the values of the dictionary. Okay, so let's see the various methods available in dictionary. So these are the methods. First is clear, which removes all the element of the dictionary. Next is copy, which returns a shallow copy or alias of the dictionary. Next is from keys sequence value. This particular method will create a new dictionary with the key, okay, from sequence and values. This particular method seems to be very weird, right? I'll explain this same method with an example in few minutes after this. So in that particular point you'll understand very clearly. For now, you just know what is what. Okay, so here this particular method get within the method, if you give two arguments such as k and default equal to null, for the particular value key it returns the value. So that is the meaning. Get particular key will give me a value of the particular key. If the key is not present, it will display this particular part, default equal to some d. Okay, if I give some d or else not found, if the key is not found, this particular thing will be displayed. So that is the meaning for this method. Next is method. Next method is has underscore key with the value k. Okay, it returns true if the key k is present, else false. Okay, so this particular method will give you either true or false. It will return the values true or false. Okay, next is item. This method will return a list of key value tuple pairs. Next is key. It returns list of dictionary keys. Next is set default k equal to default equal to null. Set value of key k to the default if key is not present. Okay, key is not present. Next is update D. Add dictionary D's k value pair and return list of values. Next is pop. I'm sorry. For this update D, it adds a dictionary D's key and value pair. Okay. Next is values. This will return the values list of values. Next is pop k. It removes element with the key k, okay, and returns its value. Next is pop item. It removes and returns the element from the list. Pop, it just removes and returns the element from the list. Okay, so these are the various methods. Okay, now with the example we'll see, you'll understand each and every method very clearly. Okay, when we see this method with example, we'll understand it with we'll understand it much better. Okay, now it will be you'll be only, you might have understood only a little. Okay, now we'll see with the example so that it will be very clear for you. Now let us see the methods with example. Previously when I told what is method and the available methods, absolutely I'm sure you would have not understood. Now with this example you clearly understand. Please give attention, okay? So my dictionary is, my name of the dictionary is h underscore dict, which has the following keys: name, subject, physics, name, subject and one. These are my keys, and my values are kavi or kavita, okay, kavita. Subject is maths, physics, chemistry, and the values are, values for the key 1 is 200, 198, 192. Now temp equal to, temp is my new variable, okay? Temp equal to h underscore dict dot copy, which will nothing, which is nothing but it will copy this h underscore dict to a new dictionary variable temp. Output, see, this is the output, okay? Now temp equal to this whole bunch of dictionary h underscore dict will be copied here. Next is h underscore dot clear. If this statement is executed, my all the elements in the original dictionary will be removed or deleted. So now my h underscore dict is an empty dictionary. Next is from key sequence comma value, okay va? So from keys, அப்போ என்ன இதுக்கு, this is a method, right? So you have to use it with the uh, object, that is my dictionary h underscore dict dot from key. So these are my sequence and these are my values. Sequence, age and DOB are my keys, and the values are 10. Okay, so the output will be h underscore dict equal to DOB is equal to 10, age equal to 10. Okay, and can you understand? Now I'm going to create two keys with this particular value 10. Okay, so this is the meaning for this method. Next is get k default equal to none method. So this particular method has to be called with the variable, with the object h underscore dict dot get 1 comma na. Get 1 is the key, okay? So the values associated with the key will be displayed as the output. This na will be displayed only when this particular key is not available. So h underscore dict dot get age comma na. See, in h underscore dict we don't have age. I'll show you. See, in h underscore dict we don't have age as an key, okay ma'am? When we call uh, when we call a key which is not there in h underscore dict, it will display me na. So when this particular statement is executed, my output will be na. Clear? Now next method is has underscore key. Within the bracket I'm going to give the name, I'm going to give the key, okay? H underscore dict dot has key name. If this particular key is present, my output will be true. If the key is not present, my output will be false. Now check in that h underscore dict whether we have name and 3 as key. We have name, so for the first statement the output will be true, and 3 is not there, so the second statement the output will be false. Can you understand now? Next method is keys. Keys will display all the keys that are available in my dictionary, okay? So h underscore dict dot keys method will give me all the keys. So one subject names are the keys in my h underscore dict, okay? Next is, so next we are going to see update d. This update will give me, will update the values of my dictionary. So dict underscore 1 equal to name colon kavi, okay? So I've first declared the dictionary with the name kavi, and now I'm going to update my h underscore dict dot update dict underscore 1, okay? Now what happens? My h underscore dict will be updated with name Kavi. Okay. My previous values for dict is h underscore dict is dob10 age 10. With that, my new key value pair will be updated. Okay. Next is value method. H underscore values method will display me all the values available in the dictionary. Okay, in this case, I've considered the original list H underscore dict. Okay, next is pop K. Here H. Okay, H underscore dict dot pop gender. So since gender is not available, it will give me the output not available. Next, I'm going to give H underscore dict dot pop name. I'm going to pop out name. Okay, so the output, my Kavita will be popped out, and my Kavita will be popped out, and the rest of the element will be present in the original dictionary. Next, I'm going to give H underscore dict pop item. This particular function will pop me the item name Kavita. Okay. So these are the various methods that are available in Python. Okay. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe if you are a new subscriber, and share this video with your friends to support this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. To learn more engineering concepts easily, just don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.